Namaste ji, namaste. Let us talk about the most shittiest bullshit and absurd line of self-help books and motivational videos is follow your passion. What passion exactly? Out of 100 odd people, 95 don't even know what to do with their lives. They're just bored to death. Are the five that have an extraordinary ability, for example, to play music or are very good with numbers, etc. They can follow their passion, but 95 of us, कि जी हमें तो सोना पसंद है. We either don't even want to get out of our bed, or we want to play video games, we want to play Grand Theft Auto, or we want to make Instagram पे सारा टाइम हे वाली videos. पीछे कोई संगीत लगा दो, आगे वो थोड़ा नाच गाना कर लो, and then basically that all of that is not your passion. So this line, follow your passion, जब passion है ही नहीं, what exactly are you going to follow? There's no passion. For most of the people, there is absolutely no passion whatsoever. Then the correct solution to this is, let's reframe this line, is first find your passion. कि जी passion है क्या आपका? Passion usually आपका कुछ नहीं. Mostly in life, it is absolute zero. It's nothing. Passion आपकी वो चीज़ बन जाएगी over a period of time with trial and error, and in by a process of elimination is that the thing that you do produces a good enough result for you so that you want to do it again and again and again. What is the result? Result is money and happiness. So all of these people who say no money का क्या करना है, money भैया money जब नहीं होता, जब पैसे नहीं होते तो फिर वो जाके ऑनलाइन फंड रेजिंग करनी पड़ती है. ऑनलाइन आजकल लोग कटोरा लेके खड़े हुए हैं, तो कृपया करके, और वो हम भी लेके खड़े हुए हैं, नॉट लुकिंग डाउन ऑन एनीवन, बट तो कृपया करके ये बात समझ लीजिए कि पैसा भी जरूरी है. सो पीपल यूजली, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आस्क मी इज टीचिंग योर पैशन, आई किड यू नॉट, it has given me a good enough result, so I'm here. Let me be honest with you. If you say that it was my passion, you tell me, what a 17-18-year-old, like if I go back to my schooling days and 11 12 में मैं क्या हाथ खड़े करके जी I'll be a teacher. हाँ, when I was 27 28 in law school, and then I'd figured out that I want to be a teacher, so when the teacher used to ask me कि भाई कौन बनेगा यहाँ से teacher, तो मेरा हाथ खड़ा होता था, because I've already had like 5 7 8 years of experience by then. Even before entering into law school, I had that experience of teaching children with special needs 10th and 12th standard economics business studies for the National Open Schooling. So I pretty much knew, and I was trained by my mother, who is an excellent teacher herself. So we knew what teaching was all about. So therefore, then when we entered into this thing, the initial trial by fire was quite huge. In fact, it was quite demotivating as well. But then over a period of time, it started producing a result. And as soon as something produces a result, it becomes your passion. Nobody has it figured out, so don't worry. If you don't have it figured out, and then you are like, everybody is saying follow your passion, follow your dream, मेरी तो कोई है ही नहीं. Everyone is in the same boat. वो प्रवचन देना आसान है, I kid you not. प्रवचन देना क्या, आज सुबह आप उठिए हमारे यहाँ पे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर, टीवी ऑन करिए, 12 चैनल पे 15 बाबा आपको प्रवचन दे रहे होंगे कि आप अपनी जिंदगी के साथ ये कीजिए. यूट्यूब भी वही है. What exactly is YouTube? YouTube भी तो टीवी ही है एक तरह से. यहाँ पे भी यही हो रहा है कि now then you'll be like scratching your head कि यार there is something wrong with me only. There is something extraordinary wrong with me and everyone else has their lives figured out. No. All of these videos, they're edited, they're thought about, they present the highlight reel of somebody's life. So if you go to Instagram and you see all of these pretty women that are there, that's what Instagram keeps on recommending. And then you're like, yaar, ye to kuch zyada hi sundar hai sara time. And when you see them without makeup, without the background music, and without everything, you're like, bloody hell, this is all an illusion, right? Because it's a very controlled environment. So therefore, when somebody says, oh, like for example, in the field of law is my passion, like, I'll give you a tight slap. किसको फुद्दू बना रहे हो? Law is my passion. कभी कुछ कौन सा law is my passion? At the age of 15, I generally see people at the age of 16, 17, a very gullible, naive age, oh, law is my passion. How? कहाँ से आ रही है ये लाइन? किसी का कोई passion नहीं होता. बनता है, हाँ. Sure enough, you start practicing law, you really get addicted, because some people are just addicted to litigation and some lawyers are very good at it. Therefore, after 10, 12, 13, 14 years of practice, it becomes your passion. It is as simple as that. ये सब झूठ है कि follow your passion. हाँ जी, मैं तो I had figured it out way ahead than anyone else, way back then I had figured life out and then I followed my passion. And then you also do the same. And then you are sitting there like, मेरा तो कोई पैशन है ही नहीं जी, मैं तो पबजी खेलने में विश्वास रखता हूँ, और either I want to be on my PlayStation or an Xbox, and then I want to play Grand Theft Auto or the latest Demon's Souls or whatever, the latest ones, Miles Morales, and everyone else on the PS5 is out. लाइक जी मेरा तो वो पैशन है, एंड देन योर पेरेंट्स आर सर्च कि ये पैसे कैसे कमाएगा, जिंदगी में रोटी कैसे कमाएगा अगर इसका ये पैशन है तो, right? When all of these big YouTubers, the Carrie Minatis and etc. of the world, when they started out, can you tell me that if they are saying that YouTube is my passion, they was lying. Over a period of time, it gave them a result, and I'm not attacking anyone, so that they don't come back and basically go after my life. That is. So after a period of time, they realized, well, hey buddy, I'm really enjoying this and it's giving me money also. Let's make this into my passion. You see then how life, and then you give everybody else a pravachan later on that, hey buddy, you are the dumb fool, you haven't figured it out yet. Well, you can respond to them ki bhaiya tumhe bhi nahi pata tha when you started out, alright? So that's the basic reality of life, and this pretty much mostly people don't tell you, because then they end up looking like a fool, and it doesn't sell. It doesn't sell. So if you actually note, like for example, you look at Skoda cars in India. They're built like tanks. They have the most amount of luxurious features that you can think of, and they're safe. But then do they sell? Masses में फिर वो Creta वाले, Hyundai वाले बेच जाते हैं, even though it's a tin box. It sells. Maruti, it's a tin box. Just flips and well, you'll be dead. But then nobody cares, right? The niche products such as this, telling the reality, doesn't sell really well. All that sells is पीछे से अच्छा खासा background music लगाओ and tell people follow your passion, and then confuse the 17-18-year-olds even more कि जी मेरा तो कोई है ही नहीं passion, मेरे को तो जी अपने क्या बोलते हैं अपने crush से WhatsApp पे बात करने का मन करता है दिन रात, so that is my passion perhaps. No, nobody has a passion. It gets developed over a period of time, and what is the key to finding your passion is something that gives you happiness and money both, because I'll tell you what, happiness won't feed you. अगर आप Avengers देखेंगे, या I think Avengers, it was in Endgame or there was in Doctor Strange, there was a line basically, so that Mystic, there was like one of his assistants, Doctor Strange's assistants, and then he's hungry, and then he tells him ki, the power of dark arts or whatever cannot exactly feed you. Do you have like $2 or $3 so that we can buy some sandwich? That's the reality of life, right? So watch out for this. So it has to give you happiness, so that you're not living a very, very miserable life, and it has to give you money also, so that you are able to sustain yourself. That's pretty much it. So instead of following your passion and dream, first give yourself a couple of years to even find out what this goddamn passion is. And it usually changes from year to year. As you grow up, you feel like, that was not me, this is not meant for me. You will figure it out. So don't worry, don't be in a hurry. It all gets figured out, not very slowly, but not very rapidly either. But then if you pay close attention, you can pretty much reduce the time span of finding this stuff out, and then basically creating your own path and blazing your own trail. And that will give you a good, contented life in which you are just happy, and you are able to buy things so that you can sustain yourself. That's pretty much it, and that's pretty much the essence of life. So don't follow your passion, first find out what it is, and then if it is giving you a good enough result, then go ahead and follow it, instead of falling down for this trap. And I kid you not, nobody has it figured out. Everybody lies, because everybody thinks about their own impression कि ये सामने वाला मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा. That's pretty much it. All right. Now see you in the next one. Take care.